Okay, using the pictures inside of GIMP, you can do it two ways. You can go to the internet, control copy and paste it. You can open up a file like this way, go into your pictures and just pressing open. It will probably try to hide the picture behind it. We'll bring it to the front like this. We can just simply select all. I just normally copy and paste inside of the particular file you're working on. Alright, so you can do multiple pictures, and I've already copied it, so I can just paste it again, creating more pictures. Control V will paste multiple pictures all over the place. So this is a quick way of importing pictures inside of your file. Okay.